Welcome. Today we're taking a quick look at these glitter paint pens from Artistro. This is a 12 pack of markers with a 0.7 millimeter extra fine tip, and these aren't just for paper but other surfaces as well. Rocks, wood, and glass are some of the ones that they mentioned on the front. On the back there's a bigger list on top of possible surfaces you can use these on. Some quick instructions on how to activate the paint to come out of the markers, and a quick grid here to show you all the different colors. So you're not getting red, you're getting poison apple. You're not getting green, you're getting mermaid tail. So look, that's kind of fun. Let's dump them out and I can show you what they look like. One cool thing is these come with, looks like, a set of extra tips. My opinion is once one of these is ruined, they might as well all be ruined. So that's nice that they include that. Some information here on how to contact them and share your work, and other products that they sell. This leaflet has instructions on how to activate everything, how to care for them, troubleshooting, things of that nature. And here are the pens themselves, or markers, sorry. I took the liberty of activating a couple of these before I did this video, so I can give you a quick look on how they look on paper, and then to just give you a quick one of me activating one, because they're really easy to activate. So here's the black one. Right now it's got nothing on it, but let me give it a quick shake off camera. And I think the last one was like about 10 pumps and it got the ink flowing. Let me look at that. Here we go. Maybe that was like 15 or so, but there you go. And that's it. Oh, I like the way the black one, right? This is my favorite one so far. But yeah, these are really cool. They're perfect for anyone who, like doing arts and crafts, maybe rock painting or something like that. The art student in your life, or, if you just want to give a little unique, something different as a gift to someone. I definitely would recommend these pens, and hopefully that is enough information for you to press that buy button.